In this video, we'll demonstrate how to update the WinPE ISO file and create an operational template using a reference server in OMIMSSC in the SCVMM console. An operational template is used for capturing firmware versions, hardware configurations, and operating system details. You can directly deploy the template or edit and deploy the template on target servers. Before creating the operational template, ensure to update the WinPE image that will be used for capturing the operational template, and place these files in the respective integration gateway folders. Copy the WinPE image to the WIM folder. Unzip the Dell Deployment Toolkit drivers and place them in the DTK folder. Create a device type credential profile for discovery and hypervisor profile. Discover a reference server. In case you want to update the firmware versions during deployment, create a custom update source or use the default update source that will be used for the firmware update when the template is deployed. Let's start with the steps to update the WinPE image before creating the operational template. Launch OMIMSSC on the SCVMM console. Click WinPE Update, and the page is displayed. Provide the path of the WinPE image along with the file name in Custom WinPE Image Path. Provide the path of the DTK drivers in Dell Deployment Toolkit drivers path. Also, provide a name for the ISO file along with the file type that will be generated from this operation in ISO or WIM file name. You can check the status of the job on the Jobs and Logs Center page. Once a job is successful, a WIM file is generated in the same ISO folder. Now we will demonstrate how to create an operational template in OMIMSSC on the SCVMM console. In Profiles and Templates, click Operational Template and then Create. The Operational Template wizard is displayed. In the Welcome page, click Next. On Template Details, provide a name for the template you are about to create and a description if required. Select a reference server IP whose configuration you want to capture and click Next. Note that only servers discovered in OMIMSSC and compliant are listed in the reference IP drop-down menu. This activity takes a while since all the hardware configurations are extracted from the server. In Server Components, to apply a component's information on a target server, check the checkbox below the component. Edit the values for a component by selecting the component name. Use the horizontal scroll bar to edit a component's attributes, and use the vertical scroll bar to locate a component. Select the operating system component and edit its attributes. Select the OS name as Windows and select the required hypervisor profile and credential profile from the drop-down menus. Select the same credential profile that was used for discovering the reference server. Based on the requirement, select DHCP or static to reserve an IP address. Based on the selections made, a list of pool values are generated. Now, click Finish to save the template. The template name along with its details are displayed. For using the template across similar configurations of servers, see the Assigning and Deploying Operational Template video on the Open Manage Integration for Microsoft System Center playlist. For more information about Open Manage Integration for Microsoft System Center, visit dell.com/support.